Hi guys, welcome everyone to new training session about Office 365. In this training, I will cover the following items: Yammer, Stream, Booking, and Power BI. So, what is Yammer? Yammer is an enterprise social network for collaboration across the organization. You can write posts, make announcements, share files, images and videos, join groups, mention coworkers, and create polls. Sounds great, isn't it? But why do we need one more service for collaboration? We already have Dell, ShortPoint, and Microsoft Teams for collaboration. Why do we need one more tool? Microsoft uses a loop model to help demonstrate where you start a conversation. The inner loop is the people you communicate with each day, your inner circle of colleagues. You work with them day to day as a team or as a project. Teams is a great place for conversation with coworkers to accomplish a common goal. The outer loop consists of other people in your organization who you have a connection to, but they are not necessarily part of your team. They will be the people who are involved in what you do, but they are not the people who actually do it. For example, you might work on documentation in your team in Microsoft Teams, but you need to share it and get review from another department. Or perhaps you need to gather feedbacks or share news with across the organization. Yammer is a place to be open with people in your company and gather their input. Email and Microsoft Teams are great at showing you what's new. Click on your activity or open your inbox and it's sorted usually by date. Yammer doesn't only sort by the most recent date, it is social network, so it shows the most relevant content to you. Let's see how Yammer looks. Currently, you can see my homepage. My homepage actually is a discovery page, so I can always see the latest contents. I can see that there are new messages in leadership group. And actually, it's a great news, so I will comment it. I can add some images here. Like this one. Yes. Okay, moving on to the next point, let's discuss Microsoft Stream. Microsoft Stream is a video service for your organization. You can share videos, events, meetings, memories, and a lot of other stuff. You can comment this video, tag time codes, create channels, discover videos relevant to you. Another cool possibility of Stream is a live events feature. You can schedule, produce, and broadcast company-wide events, trainings, webinars, and so on. Just like any other video in Stream, you can make the live events open to your entire company or limit the access to specific groups of people. After the event, the video will be available on demand. You can create live events and watch them in Stream, Microsoft Teams, or Yammer. Now, let's move to the next point. Microsoft Booking is a service which helps you easily schedule and manage appointments with your customers. What does it mean? Let's imagine that you are the owner of a barbershop and you need to manage appointments by phone. So people call you every time and ask if some barber is available at a particular time. You check barber schedule and say that he's not available. You offer the customer another time, but in that time, he cannot visit the barbershop. With Booking, you can create a web page with all the services which you provide and timetables. You can even integrate this booking page with your company Facebook page. As a result, your customers can visit your Facebook or page on Microsoft Booking wherever they want, book the time and service they need, and get a confirmation email and calendar invitation, and reschedule or cancel if they have to. They don't need to register or have Office 365 account. Let's see how the booking is looking. Actually, it's a page created by me. You can select here some service. You can select a person. Every person has its own schedule, so it can be managed for every person separately. All the schedules are connected to the organizational calendar. Also, you could add some additional details about the name, the person who booked, their emails, phone numbers, and many more. You also can configure payment on this page, so during the booking process, the customer can pay for the service in advance. Another item I would like to talk about is Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service. It gives you the possibility to visualize, analyze a huge amount of data. Very intuitive to use. You can connect the multiple data sources in the cloud or on premises. That data sources for Power BI could be SQL Server, Excel files, ShortPoint, Salesforce, Facebook, GitHub, Google's Analytics, big data file, and many others. It has thousands of reports in place for your business. To start working with it, you can share reports with other people. You can integrate it with your website. Power BI has built-in machine learning and artificial intelligence support, which is very cool. It also supports real-time analytics, so you can connect different devices to Power BI and create a dashboard to see real-time metrics. So now let's see the Power BI. Usually in Power BI, you're working in workspaces. These workspaces connected data sets, so actually these are data sources. Also, you can create different dashboards and reports here. So it can be depend what you need and what position in the company you have. So actually all these reports can be integrated in different websites. Also, you can show them in Microsoft Teams, in Yammer, in ShortPoint, wherever you want. We have covered all points I wanted to present you. Thank you for watching.